Your knock sensor stands between your engine and a cracked piston. It listens every second for one sound, fuel exploding at the wrong moment. Most people have never heard of it. Makes sense, it's bolted to the block, hidden, and your dash never warns you until too late. But detonation is the real killer. Fuel igniting before the spark fires. Hammer blows on your pistons, thousands per minute. When the sensor dies, the ECU goes deaf. Timing stays aggressive. Pistons crack. $12 part versus a $1,500 rebuild. A scan tool reads the code in 60 seconds. Replace it before it replaces your engine for good.